So the dude, he's actually getting out right now. You can see his head. This shit is too fucking crazy, and cars are pulling up. So yeah, let's go. Holy shit. No, we heard, like, okay, so what happened? This is an interview. What happened? Like a giant ass noise happened. We turned back. The plane like crashed. It crashed off of that hill and landed like that inside. And it's like slowly like sinking. Fuck, man, that shit is so close to us. Bro, I feel so fucking bad though. I feel bad for the dude. Bro, that fucking wind is coming down on us too. That's so fucking crazy, man. Bro, wait, hold on. You know, rest in peace, my dude. Rest in peace. I feel so bad. Oh, there's sirens. Damn. That's a motorcycle cop too.